Hi, I'm Willie with H5 Technology. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. So, we always talk about Netool because I love Netool. I have several of them, and I carry them around, and believe it or not, I use them a lot. And what I've got here is I've got the black version. You can see I've got my Ethernet cable still plugged into it. I was just topping the charge off because your Netool, if you didn't see the latest update, has learned some new tricks, and it can do ARP scanning now. So we're going to take a look at that. You'll need the newest version of the app for your iOS or Android device or Mac or Windows. There's a Mac and a Windows beta version. We are actually going to run the beta Windows version in this test, but we'll load the app up. If this one specifically needs a firmware update, we'll do that. I just grabbed one out of the three that I have, so we'll take a look at this. I have been playing with it on my phone, but we'll take a look at this. I think you're really gonna like it. Netool, they keep, Nathan over there keeps releasing updates, and this device is gonna go. They're going places. They're going places. But all right, we are using the Windows version of the app. Make sure that you have the newest version of the app for your operating system. There's a Windows beta, Mac beta. There's the iOS and the Android, and you can see it has discovered our Netool, so we're going to go ahead and select that from the list of discovered Netools. It's going to connect to the device. We're going to get to see all the information, our IP, all of our stuff about our switch down below. We're going to click on the little configuration cog. We're going to go to updates, and it's going to check for updates on the device. And if there's an update available, you have to do this. You need to be on the latest release. So you can see that I'm on 5662 is available, so we're going to go ahead and update this. Follow the instructions here. You don't want to brick your device, so the lights do flash. Keep an eye on that, but make sure that you are up to date on both your app and the Netool itself. This will take a few minutes. It's not going to happen right away. You can see here it tells you to reconnect to the Netool when the blue light stops flashing. So I'd say it takes, depending on your internet speed, maybe 5 minutes. So our update's done, and so now we are going to rediscover our Netool, and there it is. So we're going to go ahead and connect back to our Netool so we can take a look at this ARP scan feature. I think you're really going to like this because it'll also do some port scanning. So once we get connected here, it shouldn't take too long. And if you're on Windows and it doesn't connect, or your other device doesn't connect, first of all, make sure the Netool is booted up all the way, and then try closing your app and reopening it. So here we are. We're connected back to the Netool. We're going to go into our little configuration cog. We are going to go into the toggle switches. We are going to scroll down, and we are going to turn on auto ARP scan, and we're going to turn on port scan on ARP IPs, and we're going to leave the default ports. We're going to go ahead and save that, and then we are going to go back to the main screen, and we are going to mess with the levers that pull off the ARP scan. So we started the ARP scan. You're going to see right away it finds the gateway, and it's doing its thing in the background, and you could walk away. You can go back a screen. It's still going to be running this ARP scan. So they also have a PDF. We'll get to the PDF export option here in just a second. But be patient. It is an ARP scan. It doesn't happen in just a second. So it may take a few minutes. And there's that PDF export. If you click that, it's going to pop open a PDF where it has all the results of your ARP scan. That's a pretty nice feature. So we go back to our info screen. We can see here that it has actually discovered more than the one host that it was showing. Next to ARP scan, you can see there that it actually says 6. So if we hit that again, now you can see all of the ARP information along with any ports that are open. So this is a pretty neat tool. If I don't have any any other of that expensive software that I want to run, and I've got my Netool and I've got my phone and I carry my Netool, this is perfect. So make sure you go out, make sure you update your app, make sure you update your Netool, and remember to update, and then you have to throw the levers, turn the knobs so the sausage can be made correctly. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, please comment and share. Please follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to get yourself a Netool, don't forget to go on over to netool.io. The link's down there in the description, and use your discount code of Willie Howe to save at least 10%. If you need IT consulting, if we can't help you, we'll get you to somebody who can. You can go to h5llc.com down there, fill out the contact form, and somebody will be in touch with you. We also have a Discord channel. You can talk to us live. If you want to see any of the gear that we use here on the channel, you can use that Amazon affiliate link down below. You can even get the Netool down there, but you can't use the Willie Howe coupon code over at Amazon. So you'll want to get your Netool over at netool.io. If you want to get on that H5 mailing list for some of the stuff that's going to be coming out here in the next week or so, make sure you go over to h5llc.com and get on that mailing list. Once again, I want to thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video.